Welcome to our channel Desire and Passion.
In this video, we are going to discuss about plants and its parts. Every plant has two parts. Do you know what are the parts of a plant? Yes, root and shoot. The part below the ground is the root. The part above the ground is the shoot. The shoot is made up of the stem and its branches, leaves, flowers and fruit. Each of these parts has its functions or jobs. Let us discuss about the functions of these parts in detail. The root. All plants do not have the same kind of root. Do you know the different kinds of root? Yes, taproot and fibrous root. Let us discuss what is taproot. Some have a main root which has branches growing from it. The main root is called the taproot. Let us see some examples. Sunflower, dahlia, tomato, spinach and chili. Most trees and shrubs have a taproot. Next, fibrous root. Some plants do not have a main root. They have a clump of fiber-like roots coming out of the base of the stem. Such roots are called fibrous root. Some examples are grass, rice, wheat, maize, onion and lily. Main functions of the root. Roots has two main functions. First one, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The minerals come from the soil. They are dissolved in the water absorbed by the root. These minerals are very important for the growth of a plant. The second function of the root is to fix the plant firmly to the soil. The root spreads out into the soil and holds on to it. This also helps the soil to stay in place. Soil that is not covered by plants gets blown away by the wind or washed away by the rain. This is called soil erosion. Plants protect soil from erosion. Other functions of the root. Some plants have roots that do other jobs. Some roots store food. Some other act like pillars to support the tree. Some other roots help the plant to climb. Let us discuss all these in detail. The plants that store food are the roots of carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato and dahlia. The plants use the store food to grow. New plants can also grow out of these roots. Banyan trees have roots growing out of their branches. These roots grow downwards and enter the soil. Then they grow thick and act like pillars. They are called prop roots because they prop up or support the tree. Money plants and beetle plants have roots growing out of the stem. These roots are called climbing roots because they help the plant climb. The stem. The stem of a plant has three main functions. First one, it supports the plant. Second, it bears branches, leaves and flowers. They grow from buds on the stem. It carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves and flowers. It also carries food from the leaves to the rest of the plant. There are thin tubes inside the stem that carry water and minerals. There are separate tubes for carrying food. Other functions of the stems. The stems of some plants have other jobs to do. Some stems store food. Example, the stems of potato, onion and ginger. We eat these underground stems and new plants also grow from them. Do you know potato, ginger and onion are not roots, they are underground stems? Yes, we know that. They are stems because they have buds. Only the stem has buds. The root does not have buds. The eyes of a potato are actually buds. New plants grow from this. You can easily see the buds of ginger. To see the buds of an onion, you will have to cut it. You can also see roots growing from the bottom of an onion. Special leaves to food in an onion. The fleshy, green, leaf-like parts of a cactus are not leaves. They are special stems that make food and store water. Cactus plants grow in dry places, so they need to store water. The leaves of a cactus are also not like ordinary leaves. They are like spines. Next, leaf. The leaf has three jobs. It makes food, takes in and throws air, and gets rid of extra water. Let us discuss in detail about the three jobs of leaf. The leaf makes food from carbon dioxide and water. The process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis because sunlight makes it possible. So, during daytime, plants use carbon dioxide and water to make food and oxygen. The leaves are the noses of a plant. During the day, the plant uses carbon dioxide to make food and oxygen. At night, the plant uses oxygen for respiration and throws out carbon dioxide. Third point, the root of a plant takes in lots of water. The extra water passes out of the stomata as water vapor. Pores on the leaves are called stomata. Next, let us see the functions of the flower. The job of the flower is to help a plant reproduce. The fruit grows from the flower, and inside the fruit are seeds from which new plants grow. Some fruit like mango and lychee have just one seed. Others like tomato and papaya have many seeds. The seed. The seed stores food for the baby plant which is inside it. It is covered by a tough skin called the seed coat. The seed coat protects the baby plant and its food. The baby plant rests inside the seed until it can grow. When the seed finds its water, warmth and air, the seed coat splits and it is time for the seedling to grow out of the seed. To begin with, the baby plant uses the food stored in the seed. Then it grows its own leaves and starts making food.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe.